Imagine turning your financial stress into a joyride of possibilities. What if you could effortlessly fund your next adventure with just your Android or smartphone? Meet the game changer, CashApp. In today's fast-paced world, managing money can feel like a juggling act. But what if I told you the solution is right in your pocket? CashApp isn't just an app, it's your ticket to financial freedom. Picture this. You're planning a spontaneous weekend getaway. Flights booked, bags packed. But wait, your budget's tighter than your skinny jeans. Enter CashApp, your new best friend. With its seamless money transfer capabilities, you can split costs with friends, pay instantly, and even invest in stocks, all at your fingertips. The real magic? It's not about features, it's about freedom. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you can handle life's little surprises without breaking a sweat. CashApp empowers you by simplifying your financial life, leaving more room for what truly matters, your adventures. Ready to transform your financial journey? Download CashApp today and take the first step towards a life full of unforgettable experiences. Because with CashApp, your next adventure is just a tap away. Once you've joined the CashApp, ask us about our CashApp extractor funnel system, which include work from home, money-making offers that pay through CashApp for sharing this funnel with others by contacting the individual who sent you to this video. Thanks for watching. See you inside.